And today's guest is going to be the 2026 Toyota RAV4, and this is the limited model. We love this color. It's called Storm Cloud, and it's now available in all of our RAV4s. I want to show you one thing about this model, the limited, and it's that whenever you buy one, you're going to have a logo that's going to light up at night. That is pretty cool. Of course, you cannot see it right now, but at night, definitely you're going to notice that logo is going to be light up. And the front grille, we have all of our parking sensors. It's going to have front cross traffic alert as well as rear cross traffic alert. A 360 camera. It's going to be available standard in all of our limited models, and 18-inch alloy wheels. And let's take a look at the interior. A beautiful color that it's called light gray. It's going to be available on your limited whenever you buy one. Take a look at the roof. It's going to be panoramic roof, standard in all of our limited models, as well as the digital rear view mirror with the big screen, ventilation, heated seats for the front passengers, driver and your passenger right next to you. And something about the limited is you're gonna get 2 wireless chargers, one for you and one for your passenger right here. The advanced park, it's also available on limited. So this car has the option of parking by itself. It's pretty cool. This vehicle also has the head-up display as an option. It's not a standard, it's a package, but you can get it on Unlimited. And take a look at this. You see how this is different? This is going to be the only model that it's going to have the toggle switch different standard. So this is the only way you can drive the car. You're not going to have the other regular ways to drive it. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Something like luxury. Take a look at the rear space. You're sitting in the back. Don't worry, because you're going to get heated seats for your rear passengers as well. A lot of space. Definitely, they did a great job with these new models. I think I love the RAV4. It looks so much better compared to the previous generations. Remember, all of our new RAV4s are hybrid, and you have the option of front-wheel drive in some models, not all of them, and the all-wheel drive is also something that you're going to get with the RAV4s. The limited, it's going to be all-wheel drive standard, period. Take a look at the space. We still have a lot of space. You're trying to put your stuff in the trunk. It's pretty much the same compared to the previous generations. And I know you see the JBL right there. So that's something you get with your limited RAV4. 9 speakers, JBL. That's a premium sound for Toyota. So let us know what you think. And remember, if you're looking for a Toyota RAV4 or any Toyota, just come here, take a look at all of our inventory. We have the biggest inventory here in Georgia. So just let us know. Come here to Atlanta Toyota.